receive a medal for being third place column writing MSPC level and being DSPC qualifier. Also, she will also receive medal for being SSLG grade 8 representative. Jillian L. Sagun with honors. She will also receive medal for being 5th place in editorial gardening English MSPC level and 2nd place collaborative desktop publishing English MSPC level and a DSPC qualifier. Princess Heineken P. Section with honors.
Ito sa bag natin.
Congratulations, grade 8 summer.
Hello.
Presenting the Academic Excellence Awardees of the grade 8 winner with the guidance of their advisor, Ma'am Susan G. Labarelli.